Today I'm here with my good friend, the Total Torso Machine from Watson. This is basically a back attack machine or a good morning machine. So let me show you how to get in. You slide on in, get your hip right up against this pad. The back of your ankle and your Achilles goes to the other pad. Does not go behind it, goes in front of it. When you want to unrack, stand to an upright position, pull this out, hands here, here, wherever you want. Hinge, up to the top. I actually prefer to keep my hands here, almost like I'm deadlifting, like a Romanian deadlift. You gotta be careful too to come up to an upright position, get the glutes tight and not do this. Don't do this. Keep the ribs down. Hinge to this position, not rib extension. Tighten, hinge. When you're done, rack, exit, the back attack, attack your back.